Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful piece of mulberry to show you today, and this is the Mulberry Camden. So we've got one shoulder strap there. You can see that is removable as well. It's got those loops on either side, and it's got these kind of feature zips, 4 feature zips across the bag. They do actually unzip and zip back up, but I think they're probably more for aesthetic purposes. It does give it a little bit of extendability to the bag, but it's mostly kind of for the aesthetic purpose. So I'll just zip that back up. So we've also got zip top closure. So I'll open that up and show you the inside. We've got this really cute little leather zip pull on there. So inside, again, we've got that oxblood coloured lining, and then we've got one flat pocket on one side there, and then on the other side we've got another little flat pocket there. The condition of this bag, we've called the exterior, just get it closed up again, we've called the exterior very good. It's got a gorgeous kind of relaxed shape and feel to it. This leather is really kind of tactile and relaxed as well. So it's quite an easygoing bag. The reason we've called it very good is just because you can tell it has been used before, but for the most part it is in very nice condition. There's minimal marks on that leather. Just show you on the bottom, on the base there. The base still looks very nice. The hardware we've called good. You can see right on the base here, this little base has got actually its plastic seal on it still, so that's in really nice condition, but it's just some of the hardware has got some scratching, a little bit, minor bits of scratching and things to it, so that's why we've called it good, but it's still all got that gorgeous gold tone to it as well. The interior we've called very good. Again, there's just very, very minimal signs of wear and marks in there. You can tell it's been used before, but it's in gorgeous condition all over. You can see that it's kind of got that fold in it from where it's been stored, but as soon as you start using it and filling it out there, it will have that shape again back to it. So while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. I'll show you what this mulberry comes with. So we've just got mulberry dust bag with it. If you wanted to know the exact measurements of this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this bag, so if you're interested in buying, that is also the link to shop. You'll find the exact measurements on there. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. Just let us know that you love this bag. We'll get you onto our request list, and then we'll send you through an alert next time we get in one just like it. And then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So we've got, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So by that top shoulder strap there, it sits really nice and comfortably under my arm like that. And again, it's just really, this leather's super soft and tactile. It's a very easygoing everyday bag. It's gorgeous. So for more details, again, go for the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us. And also on our website, you'll find the how to sell with us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.